Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Move. what the Order has planned for me this time. Hopefully, fewer death trees. Huntsman has to know something about Darius. I'll get it out of him. I'm closing in, Huntsman. Pactyas and Darius better get to the Huntsman's glade in time. I can't wait for them. Off we go now.
And she arrives.
The Huntsman. That was your game in the swamp.
All to help you understand the truth, Cassandra. You are no hero.
Been called a lot of things in my time. Hero's not high on the list, so... This isn't news to me.
You are tainted. The blood flowing through you has the power to raise kingdoms, to alter the course of entire civilizations. You could burn this world. We must burn you first.
You can't know what I'll do or who I'll become. I decide my fate. I decide my future, and I've decided I'm a threat to you and your order.
Today you die! I could kill you on my own! I'm not dead yet! You need more training, Eagle Bearer! Come with me! To Hades! This doesn't end well. Revenge! For glory! This is just too easy! I have no problem dying! Do you? I'll try to end it. Come! I will kill you!
You're the great disturbance Morgus warned of. The terrible threat of Persia. You're no different from the others.
I heard the Order of the Ancients were to be feared. Persia's greatest, most dedicated warriors. Yet you cower in the dark, Huntsman.
Some battles are best fought from the dark. You disrupt the natural order. And thus, you are unnatural. It will be my pleasure to restore order. To do nature's will. To return to the dead.
Let's see how far you can.
guide you until there is no blood left to spill. Think you can trust us? You think? No part of you believes me. Not your skin.
Where did he go? I must track him down. Maybe Icarus will have better luck finding the Huntsman. Ah! I'll find you, Huntsman!
Wouldn't the world be safer without you?
You burned whole villages, poisoned them.
The Order kills hundreds to stop your kind from killing thousands.
Crack in the wall. Looks like the Huntsman might have slipped through here. Stinks down here. Animals.
Come, Cassandra! I will carve out your heart for a Morgan. Only one must leave this cave. I'd rather die than let you bring more suffering. Ends now. You are a creature of chaos, Cassandra. Everything you touch dies screaming. I'm your The Order will live.
It's over, Huntsman.
Oh, is that what you think? No. No!
Nice entrance.
Took the easy way.
Artabanus! The betrayer himself.
So you are Artabanus.
Pactyas.
After all you've done to this family, how does it feel to have them watch you die?
Is that how Artabanus tells it? No. He started this.
What is he talking about?
We trusted him. I loved him. We were all as brothers. But he drew his blade against us. Did you not consider the cost? They'd be alive. Your mother, your siblings. May as well have killed them himself.
Darius, you have some explaining to do.
Cassandra,
You're hiding something. Speak.
Yes, Darius. Tell them about our promise.
To protect Persia. Our children. Their future.
Then why did you betray us?
To keep that promise. It's time I told you the truth about Abantes, protector of Persia.
We'll feign a frontal assault on the convoy, drawing away the majority of Xerxes' forces, giving you the chance to... Xerxes won't know what hit him.
Tomorrow, the Order's tyrant dies, and Persia will be safe.
There will always be more tyrants.
And there will always be us to stop them. King Xerxes had died, but his son continued his legacy. The new king needs to die, Amorges.
We can't just stab all our problems.
Artaxerxes is king now. His father and his father before him were Order puppets. With the Order, we can take no chances.
What if the Order aren't our enemy? They're powerful. Maybe if we work with them, we'll have all the resources we need to protect Persia.
Artaxerxes dies, as does anyone in league with the Order. As I suspected.
I can't let you in there, Atovanus.
They got to you.
No. I went to them. This king hasn't done anything.
Yet!
Guards!
Traitor! Amorges joined the Order of the Ancients. From that day, he's led the Huntsman to destroy us and the Tainted Ones. He was my closest friend. Through war. Your birth. When he called the guards, he doomed our family.
the moment you drew your blade against the Order, you doomed us.
Did you ever stop to think who else your blade has killed? Mother? My brothers and sisters? Me?
My son. I think of nothing else.
Pactyas' death will be a beacon to the Order. Amorges and his full might will rain down on Makedonia. Father, we can't stay here. I'll pack the hideout.
Go. I have an old friend to bear.